Hello, FunToLearn teachers. This is Teacher Jeff. So yesterday we've learned about the brief history of distance learning. We also have identified the different types of virtual classes and shown you some examples. Also, we've discussed the 5 different roles of a teacher in distance learning. Okay, and the very basic how-to was also discussed yesterday, which includes how to add a learner and how to create a class. And just an introduction to our lesson for today, we've learned the different parts of a virtual classroom using Google Classroom. Okay, so today we will learn more about adding contents, the different ways that we will be able to create contents, since that's one of your major role for today. And we will make sure that we will talk about how you would be able to give feedback and also provide rating and make sure that you can use the same grading system as required by your school. Okay, so hope you have fun today. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.